And now I will show you the techniques how to burp the baby, which is over the shoulder and on the lap burping techniques. And remember, the reason to burp your baby is to release gas that the baby may have taken air during feedings. And babies feel better after burping and also stimulate the baby.
First, use the burping cloth and put it on your shoulder in case the baby is speed up. Hold the baby up on your chest so the baby facing on you with your arms to support the baby's bottom. And you can also rub the baby's back. Put your baby on your leg, or you can use either leg with the baby facing other way. Notice that one hand is holding the baby's jaw and 4 fingers and thumb are used as sort of wedge, with the palm supporting the chest using firm but gentle pressure tilt and support the baby's head up a little.